Another branch of this, access to mental health. Florida ranks 49th out of 50 states and Washington, D.C. for state funding in mental health. News Channel 5's Ashleigh Walters introduces us to a couple with a professional and personal interest.
Pamela and Paul Gianfrido stopped everything to watch President Obama's speech together.
Help build this country.
Pamela is CEO of the Mental Health Association. Paul once chaired a subcommittee on health in Connecticut.
Violence and violent tendencies and mental illnesses are two distinct and different things.
Piquing their interest, Executive Action number 17, to notify healthcare providers that they're not prohibited from telling law enforcement about threats of violence.
People with mental illness have rights too, and rights to adequate health care, but also rights to privacy.
They're concerned that people with mental illness who need to speak freely might feel too exposed to speak up. Pamela and Paul are also parents with a personal interest in the issue.
Timothy developed his symptoms of schizophrenia when he was still about 5 years old.
They want screenings for every child at a young age. The president suggests increased access to services and reaching 750,000 young people through outreach. This couple says it's not enough. They want screenings for every child early.
It would be so simple to do that and so inexpensive to do it.
One big unanswered question is what will happen to funding. The Mental Health Association says their funding was cut by the state by 8% in October of last year.
But they need to start restoring the money to mental health and then adding new dollars to mental health as well.
They're concerned for people like their son, hopeful that President Obama's suggestions will improve what they say is broken.
None of us can navigate effectively the system that we have built to try to provide services here. And it is about time we all recognize that and change it.
In West Palm Beach, Ashleigh Walters, WPTV News Channel 5.